Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own YouTube auto subscribe link. This is super useful to help gain subscribers for your channel, and by putting it on your social media pages, your Instagram bio, your Facebook page, your Twitter profile, it's really going to increase the amount of people you have subscribing to your channel. As well as this, if you place the link in the description of your videos, you're going to be increasing the ratio of people that view your video to the people that subscribe to your channel. Now this is super easy to do. You just have to add one line of code to your channel URL, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first thing you have to do is just go to your channel homepage and then grab this piece of text, which you'll find in the description. Then go to URL and delete right down to the question mark, and then just simply paste that piece of text at the end of the URL. And you see now, if we reload the page, we have the confirm your channel subscription pop up. Okay, now once you've created your auto subscribe link, another nice thing to do is create a short link. Now a short link will allow you to track everyone that clicks on a link. It will shrink the link down in size, which means it's nicer to put on your social media profiles and in the description of your videos. And also you'll be able to change the text on the URL. So you could change it to say subscribe to my channel or something like that. And when they click on the link, it will take you directly to this page and ask them to subscribe. So to do this, all you have to do is simply copy the URL we've just created and then head over to bit.ly.com. This is a free site. You can sign up for free. You don't have to edit and enter your credit card details. And to create the link, all you have to do is hit the create box here and insert your URL. And then as you can see here, I've made one before, but I can change the text. I can go in and change the text to anything I want. So I have it set to subscribe to tech with James, as you can see. So I'll just save that again. And now if I copy that and then head over to Google, we see that this link will take me straight to the page we've just created. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and for more YouTube growth videos, please subscribe to my channel.